everyone and welcome to our YouTube channel. If you want to make your WordPress website more interactive and user-friendly, then this plugin is a great way to do this. Tooltip Glossary plugin turns your terms into clickable actions, so when visitors hover over the words, they get instant explanations. It's super helpful for blogs, educational websites, and anyone who is using technical terms. So let me show you how it works. Here we are on the official product page of the Tooltip Glossary plugin. Here you can see the different packages and plans the plugin offers, like Essential Tooltip Glossary Pro, Advanced Tooltip Glossary, etc. Each of the packages offer their own features and functionalities, which you can check on the website. And here you can see the advanced features the plugin offers. You can create a glossary with the WordPress Glossary plugin. You can customize the glossary index with an alphabetical navigation bar. Also, you can have a live filtering here. Here you can see you can have a dedicated term page. Also, you can customize the WordPress tooltips. And the plugin is great for example, blogs, educational websites, and for any website that is, for example, a technical website and needs technical terms to be available for each user, like if they need a tooltip for their website. So here we can see other features the plugin offers. Let's go to the dashboard and see how the plugin works there and what we can achieve with the plugin. Here we have the CM Tooltip Glossary plugin Pro version installed, but if you want to check the plugin features at first, then decide whether you want to purchase it or not, you can just go ahead and install the free version and check its features, then go for the purchase. Here you can see we have created different glossary items and words. Let's add a new one and see how it looks like on the front end. For that, we will need to click on the Add Glossary Item button here. Here we will need to write a title for our glossary item. Let it be, for example, SEO, like this. And here we will need to provide an explanation. For example, search, let's write it in capital letters, search engine optimization. And here we can publish it. So let's open the post on the front end and see how the plugin works there. So we click here, and here you can see how the plugin beautifully shows the word SEO and its explanation. Here when we hover over the word, you can see the explanation in details. Also here you can see the definition offered by ChatGPT, which is an integration to the plugin. Also, what is great is that you can see alternative meanings for SEO. So the plugin provides a full explanation of the word. So it's great to implement this plugin on your website. So let's go to the dashboard. Then we can go to the settings tab and review what settings the plugin offers. Let's click on it. As you can see, the plugin offers different tabs here. For each tab, you can customize its own settings. So the plugin is made very easy. At first, let's go to the Tooltip tab, and here we can see different settings for the content. Also, by scrolling down, we can see different styling settings for the tooltips. At first, you can see you can change the tooltip background color. It is set to black now, but you can change it to the color you want. And what is great is that the plugin offers a live preview right on the dashboard, so you can check what changes you have made in terms of styling for the tooltips. As the circle with my face disturbs the live preview, I will turn off it for a moment so that I can show you how the live preview works for the plugin. Then I will turn my face on again. You can see you can change the tooltip background color. For example, we can set it like this, or we can somehow configure it the way we want. Also here we can change the tooltip text color. For example, we can make it black. We can change the tooltip border color. For example, we can make it like this. We can also change the tooltip titles text color. Again, we can make it black. You can see all the changes you apply here are reflected in a live preview, which is a great chance to see how the tooltip will look like on a front end before actually checking it on a front end. Also, you can change the tooltip titles font size. For example, we can make it bigger. So let's save the changes here and check the changes on a front end as well. We save the changes here. Now I'm back with my face again, as I don't anymore disturb the live preview. Here you can see how the tooltip has been changed based on our changes. The background color has been changed, the text colors, the border color. So the styling features work great here. So as we are done with the tooltip style settings configuration, we can now go to the index pages created by the plugin to see how they look like on a front end. So as I have already displayed the index pages created by the plugin, let's go to the glossary index page on a dashboard and see what settings it offers. Here you can see a great number of settings related to the glossary index page, styling, definition, links, sharing box, etc. For this video tutorial, let's concentrate on the display style of the glossary index page settings. Let's change, for example, the templates and see how they look like on a front end and how the changes are applied to them based on the template changes. Now the display style is set to classic table. Let's, for example, change to classic plus definition. Here we will need to save our changes. Now we are on a glossary index page, and as you can see, the template has been changed. Here you can see the definitions as well with the word. So let's change the template to another one and check the changes. So now let's change the template to, for example, modern table and save the changes here. Then check it out on a front end. Now you can see the template has been changed to modern table, and now the tooltips are displayed differently in a table formatting. Let's change the template once more to check the changes on the front end. Now let's open the drop down and for example, we can choose a term flip boxes with definition for this time. Let's choose it and save the changes once more. Here you can see how beautifully the template has been applied to the terms. When hovering over the term, we can see the tooltip on the back side, so they can be flipped like this. Here we can see the whole glossary index. You can see the alphabetical display, and here you can see all the words and terms we have created with the help of our this plugin, the glossary plugin. Here, when we hover over the word, we can see the explanation, definition, which is displayed in a very beautiful way. It's a great tool that can be used on your website. Here you can see the definition for each word. So this was the whole glossary, but also let's check two other glossary index pages. So here you can see cooking glossary index. That means you can categorize the glossary index pages. You can create unlimited number of index pages based on a category of words. This part is related to the cooking. So here you can see the words related to cooking. Also here you can see that you can click and listen to the audio for specific words if you have specified them from the settings. And here you can see the definitions. And here you can see water resources glossary index page. And here you can see words related to the water. For example, atmosphere, cloud, boil, ice, mineral water, rain, etc. It's great that you can customize the categories and show the words related to specific categories. This will help users find their preferred words more easily. and find their definitions accordingly. So as we have discussed the index page as well, let's also check the integrations provided by the plugin. And for that, we can go to the API page, and here you can see that a plugin integrates with a well-known companies like Google Translate, Merriam-Webster Dictionary, which is great, Gloss Dictionary, Wikipedia also, it's a nice integration, Wiktionary, and also the plugin has a ChatGPT integration, which we will show later on. Here you can see the settings for the integrations one by one, which is displayed quite easily with a plugin, so you will not have to go on different pages to customize the settings. All is available on one page. Here you can enable the Google Translate, so you can choose the source language. Also you can see the settings and customization options for the Merriam-Webster Dictionary. Like you can see different options for each integration. Then also let's check another quite important integration, which is ChatGPT. To find the ChatGPT integration, we'll go to the e-commerce settings tab and scroll a little bit, and here you can see the ChatGPT integration as well. You can see it is enabled on our website, and we have shown this in the beginning of the video when creating a term. So here you can see the different settings for the ChatGPT integration as well. What is great is that ChatGPT automatically offers definitions for your words, for your terms, so you will not have to manually write them for the post. All is done by ChatGPT itself. So I think integrating ChatGPT is a must for this plugin, as it will save lots of time for you, and you can concentrate on other important aspects of your website, for example, the design, comfortability, like user friendliness, etc. So ChatGPT is a must for your website if you are using the CM Tooltip Glossary plugin. So that was all about the WordPress Tooltip Glossary plugin. If you liked the video, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the notification bell not to miss further WordPress tips and tutorials. Bye!